Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho weather planning briefing for Monday, October 12th. Happy Columbus Day. Here's a summary of what you're seeing in this presentation. We have a wind advisory in effect for this afternoon and evening, and then tomorrow afternoon and evening, that's Tuesday. That's because we expect winds in the Teton Valley and the Snake River Plain to reach 30 to 35 miles an hour sustained wind with higher gusts during that time. Besides that, we have some isolated rain and snow showers in central Idaho mountains and along the Idaho-Montana border region today. We have scattered rain and snow showers developing for Tuesday and then continues into early Wednesday, and that's primarily for the northern half of our forecast area. And then on Wednesday night, it'll be a freeze, and after that, expect dry conditions and a gentle warming trend at least through Saturday, possibly leading into Sunday. Sunday is our next chance for precipitation after Wednesday. Here's a current satellite view. You can't really see much activity here in this loop. It's very faint and it's a very weak low. And then a chunk of this is going to actually sweep through on Tuesday and Wednesday. So the impact, there's some moderate with the winds in the Snake Plain and in the eastern highlands. And there's just a slight chance of rain and snow, mostly showery activity on both of those days. And it goes into late Tuesday night. But by Wednesday, when everyone's waking up, wind will be pretty much limited to the Snake Plain, and it won't be of the severity of a wind advisory, more on the order of 20 to 30 miles an hour. And here you can see where the freeze is going to occur. And then after that, benign weather for Friday and Saturday. So let's take a look at some details. Here's the high temperatures for today. You can see it's getting into the low 60s in the Snake River Plain, and even Stanley is going to warm to the low 50s. And Tuesday, probably our warmest day this week. You can see a lot of middle and upper 60s and even some low 70s if you're in the eastern Magic Valley or places south of there. And then on Wednesday, with the cloud cover, more precipitation, although it doesn't quite get all the way down to the Utah border, and the most likely places will actually be along the Montana border. We do have cooler temperatures just because of the cloud cover and the colder air associated with this low pressure that's bringing this in. And then Tuesday morning, you can see starting to show some below freezing. That's what's in the white areas. And then Wednesday morning, low temperature. Again, below freezing, not as much because we do have the cloud cover for a Wednesday morning as opposed to Tuesday morning when the cloud cover will be just moving in. And then here's Thursday morning. You can see widespread areas below freezing. And the only areas that really kind of escape is if you're in the extreme southern end and if you're in some sort of inversion elevation, which would be actually above valley floors. Okay, here's what the rain is going to look like for this morning. Very light rain, as you can see, mostly the eastern or western parts of Custer County and Lemhi County. And this afternoon, a lot less as things start to clear. Tuesday morning, you can see it does start again, and you'll watch as that increases and moves eastward. Here's Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday evening, you can see some moderate amounts of rainfall for areas, especially as you can see west of US 93. And then it starts to diminish here overnight. Here's what the snowfall will look like. Again, very light, not even an inch for most locations today. Left here's for the 12 hours of Tuesday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Again, very few locations getting more than an inch. And the same thing on Tuesday night. You can see maybe an inch there at Galena Summit. Here's what the winds are going to be doing. Here's why we have the wind advisory out. You can see where the strongest winds are over the Arco Desert and the INL property all the way down to craters of the moon. And you can see it start to tail off a little bit here. And then Tuesday, wind advisory in effect. It's not as strong, but there's still areas where it will exceed 30 miles an hour. So that's why we have the wind advisory. Again, that's for the Teton Valley and Snake River Plain, and that's both today and Tuesday, and that's both for afternoons and early evenings on both days. Expect isolated rain and snow showers in central Idaho along the Idaho-Montana border region today. It'll be scattered tomorrow and a little bit higher in accumulations, and then very cold Wednesday night, but dry and warming through Saturday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.